Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with the first ever t-shirt made out of recycled plastic bottles. Now, let me show you what else we have. Number 7. Did you know an octopus has more than one heart? Actually, it has 3. 2 of them are used to pump blood to the gills where it picks up oxygen, and then the third heart pumps the oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. But that's not all. If an octopus loses a tentacle, it can grow it back. Kind of makes humans look weak, right? No 6, there are over 300 species of coral in the ocean, and they come in all shapes and sizes. Some are small and some can grow over 10 feet tall. But did you know that coral is actually made up of tiny animals called polyps? These polyps have stinging cells which they use to capture their food. And as the coral grows, so do the polyps. They reproduce by budding, which is when a new polyp grows out of the side of an existing one. This process continues indefinitely, creating new polyps and new coral. Number 5. Jellyfish have been around for over 500 million years. That's 100 million years before dinosaurs even existed. And they come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny spotted jellyfish to the giant lion's mane jellyfish, which can have tentacles that are miles long. But did you know that jellyfish don't have brains? They're actually just a bunch of cells working together to form a single organism. Each cell acts independently and can sense its environment and make decisions based on what it perceives. No. 4. Sharks can smell blood from miles away, thanks to their highly developed sense of smell. They can detect blood in the water and swim towards it, which makes them efficient hunters. But did you know that sharks don't bleed when they get cut? That's because their blood contains a special protein that prevents clotting. This allows them to keep swimming and hunting without getting exhausted. Gnome. 3. Dolphins can recognize themselves in the mirror. They're one of only a few animals that can do this. It shows that dolphins have a high level of self-awareness and intelligence. But did you know that dolphins can also use tools? They've been observed using sponges to cover their noses while they're foraging for food on the seafloor. Number 2. Squid can change color in a matter of seconds. They do this by controlling the amount of pigment in their skin cells. This allows them to camouflage themselves and sneak up on their prey. But did you know that squid also have a special organ called the chromatophore? This organ contains sacs filled with pigment that can expand or contract, changing the color and texture of their skin. And number 1. The blue whale is the largest animal that has ever lived on Earth. It's bigger than any dinosaur and can weigh over 200 tons. But did you know that blue whales use echolocation to find food? They emit a sound wave and then listen for the echoes to bounce back. This helps them to identify the size, shape, and location of objects in the water around them, allowing them to navigate and find food even in the darkest depths of the ocean. Thanks for watching. See you next time.